Hello guys, it's Steven guys, welcome back. In my previous video, in this day video we have a new update. I'm so sorry guys, I'm so late. So we have the new update. No, I know how difficult word it is. So let's I know it. So let's can be a boy or in gray. So let's can be a baby. This can be take sometimes long, but oh, this is like too big. Not rocking so much. Yeah, that's. I cannot jump. Yeah, I can well jump. Oh my god, bro, this is Yeah, I'm typing so hard. Oh my god, this is so stupid. Sorry guys, not for you. This bird has so tiny legs. Finally. So we have the baby right here. So let me turn off my head. So wait quick. Scroll down the cache key, turn off that. There you go. Okay, it's maybe normal. So we have call, and we have sit. Always bird sitting, but not bad. We have eat. Oh fucking hell, leave me fuck alone, please. We have hurt. I don't want people join of my friends. And oh, we have heard and eyes closed. Yeah, so we grow up, I guess. There you go, and we are the. I guess we are the mama bird. Nah, I was kidding. Sorry, guys. So we have run, and we have call. We have sit. Oh, get lost. Ah, can't everybody leave me alone? We have eat. That looks really cool. We have her. We have display. That looks like shit. We have Preem. Yeah, I guess what everybody do. We have eyes closing and opening, and we have fly. Not too much, but yeah. Oh, still walking. Okay, let's campy. So we have the another version of the baby. So yeah, it's campy not really cool. But this one sound more faster than the other one. Oh, come on. Oh my god. How dummy people ask questions. I'm not Russian, no. That's my friend. Why is my friend joining? Oh my god. Okay, can I actually join, bro? Like, for me, it's not a problem. She have like 200k Robux, bro. Okay, oh, that looks strange. We have baby. This is the girl. We have call. We have sit. We have eat. Looks always. We have hurt. And we have eyes closed, but that's not working, I guess. Oh, there you go. Okay, let's create grown up. Keep the colors. I'm sorry. Okay, we are now the lady. This is, I guess, boy or girl, no idea. Um, we have like run. No, I gotta press that. We have run. We have call. Looks strange. We have sitting. Ah, she's sitting as real mom. Take care of your kid. We have eating. We have hurt. Always. At the same time, I don't want to tell you about, yeah. We have display. Yeah, I know. But we don't say nothing. We have Bream. Yeah, I love it. And we have Eyes Closed. And we have Fly. Oh, okay. So these birds cannot fly either. So I need to end my video, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for watching in this video. I hope you enjoy my video. So do you watch more of my videos? Guys, please subscribe in my channel and don't forget subscription bell. I'm gonna say to you guys, take care, be safe, and stay inside the home, be warm. You know, it's winter time. Some people like setting Christmas trees. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm gonna say to you, happy holidays and see you next week. Bye.